Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Vinted in 2026. Now, many people move, travel, or create an account in the wrong region and later realize that they can't see the local listings and shipping options. So, in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to come here on vinted.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, when you see this type of en written or this drop down menu, you just have to click on it. Now here it is going to give you two options. The first is of United States English and the second one is of Spanish. So you are not going to see any of the options that is going to allow you to change your region. It is because Vinted doesn't allow the direct country switching is inside your account settings. So your account is basically logged to the country that you have selected when you signed up. So the only working way in 2026 is creating a new account with the correct country. So in order to do it, you just have to come here on vinted.com. After that, you just have to sign up here with the help of your new email address. During the registration, when prompted, simply select the country which you wanted to select. After that, simply confirm it and create your account. So when you log in, click on your profile icon, then click on the option of profile. So here you are going to see the listings, the shipping options for the new country automatically. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.